How to cash out on DraftKings. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw or cash out on DraftKings. So in order to do that procedure, first of all you'll have to log in. So once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the home icon. After that, you'll be able to see a profile icon located in the top left hand side corner. Go ahead and tap on it. After you click the profile icon, that's going to direct you to this page where you'll be able to see an interface as withdraw or deposit. So go ahead and tap the withdraw button. On the other interface, go ahead and enter the exact amount that you wish to withdraw and click the continue button located right at the bottom. And lastly, you'll have to confirm all of the information that you provided. If you're sure about it, click the withdrawal request button located right at the bottom. And as soon as you do that, the request will be submitted and it's going to take 2 to 3 business days in order to complete your transaction. So that's basically how you can cash out on DraftKings. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.